Now, scientists have found the strongest evidence yet that a planet 124 light-years away could be home to life.
In the vast theatre of the universe where galaxies drift like ancient ships across an endless sea, something unseen is tugging at the edge of the known. A whisper in the void has grown louder, one that could alter our understanding of the solar system itself. It's not a planet we've seen but one we've felt, a presence revealed only by the trails it leaves in the dark. For decades, astronomers have sensed that something massive was shaping the frozen outskirts beyond Neptune. An invisible architect, a world not lit by sunlight but by mathematics, motion, and mystery. They call it Planet 9. And now, new discoveries have turned theory into compelling evidence. Something enormous is out there, twisting orbits, realigning trajectories, and casting a long gravitational shadow. Its mass is estimated to be 5 times that of Earth. It may orbit over 500 times farther from the Sun than we do, so distant that no telescope has yet captured its image. But its influence is unmistakable. It shepherds icy objects into formation like a conductor guiding a silent symphony. The story begins not with a photograph but with a pattern. In 2016, scientists at Caltech noticed that several icy bodies beyond Neptune were moving in strangely aligned paths. Their orbits weren't random. They were grouped, tilted, and elongated in a way that defied chance. Each one was swinging through space like a pendulum, pointing in nearly the same direction. This strange alignment seemed impossible. Statistical models showed that such a formation had less than a 1 in a billion chance of occurring by accident. It wasn't chaos. It was coordination. Something large and distant was pulling the strings. As more objects were found, the pattern only grew stronger. Now 13 such bodies have been discovered with eerily similar orbits. Their movements whisper a hidden force. They don't cluster by luck. They cluster because something is guiding them. Something unseen but very real. Skeptics wondered if it could be an illusion, an observational bias. Maybe we were only seeing what we wanted to see. But new studies accounted for every possible error, every telescope angle, every detection limit. Even with all corrections, the pattern held. It refused to vanish. The alignment remained. And with it, so did the mystery. Then came a discovery that changed everything, an object known as 2015 BP 519, an icy traveler with an orbit tilted over 50 degrees. It didn't just break the rules, it shattered them. This orbit could not be explained by any known planets. But when Planet 9 was added to simulations, suddenly it made perfect sense. The impossible became inevitable. Researchers ran virtual models of the solar system, billions of years unfolding in seconds. Without Planet 9, the outer solar system was a mess, random, scattered, unorganized. But with it, everything clicked into place. Order emerged from chaos. The icy objects formed patterns. Their orbits aligned. Their tilts matched. The invisible planet made the system coherent. Other ideas, like passing stars or swarms of tiny bodies, failed to explain the observations. Only one solution worked, a single massive planet, hidden. The Voyager and Pioneer spacecraft, still drifting through interstellar space, were slightly off course, tiny deviations, just a few meters a year. But they didn't match any known force. Solar radiation, gravity, cosmic winds, all accounted for. Yet the pull persisted. And it pointed in one direction, where Planet 9 is predicted to be. As if even the machines feel its presence. Further proof came from Sedna, a lonely dwarf planet with an orbit unlike any other. Its path swings from 76 to nearly 1,000 times Earth's distance from the Sun. Too far to be shaped by Neptune, too close to be from interstellar space. For years, its orbit was a puzzle with no solution until Planet 9. Suddenly, Sedna's path became predictable, expected even. And Sedna wasn't alone. Other distant objects like 2012 VP-113 share its peculiar traits. Their paths align. Their tilts match. Their distances echo one another. All shaped by the same silent hand. Then came the Goblin, TG387, another icy object with an orbit reaching over 2,000 astronomical units. Its path, too, fit the Planet 9 model perfectly. Each discovery reinforced the last. One after another, the evidence grew, like stars appearing one by one in a darkening sky. Even the Sun itself may bear Planet 9's mark. Our star is tilted by about 6 degrees from the plane of the planets. For decades, no one knew why. Now we know. Planet 9's slow, distant hug could have tilted the Sun over billions of years. A subtle twist. A cosmic fingerprint, not just shaping orbits, but shaping the heart of our solar system. And yet we have not seen it. No photograph. No silhouette. Only trails, whispers, and ripples in the orbits of distant ice. But soon, that may change. New telescopes are being built. The Vera Rubin Observatory. The James Webb Space Telescope. Is more sensitive than ever before. They will scan the darkness. They will search the cold outer reaches. And if Planet 9 is out there, they will find it. And when they do, our map of the solar system will be redrawn. Not just with a new planet, but with a new understanding of gravity, of formation, of mystery itself. Planet 9 is no longer science fiction. It is science waiting to be seen. The solar system may not be as we thought. And that's the beauty of exploration. Each discovery reminds us how much remains unseen. How much wonder still waits in the dark. But where did this hidden world come from? Did it form alongside the rest of our solar system, or was it born beneath another star? Some scientists believe Planet the 9th of May not be one of us. Not a native planet, but a cosmic orphan, captured in the Sun's gravity long ago. A wandering giant flung from its home system during a stellar migration. And in the cold, empty night between stars, it found us. Others suggest it formed from the same ancient cloud that birthed our planets, but was exiled during the solar system's early chaos. Cast out by Jupiter's gravity, vanished beyond Neptune. And there, in the frozen deep, it waited, silent, hidden, watching over billions of years.